Technically, you can make use of even a word editor to write your code, but I would recommend using a code editor because they're specifically designed for managing your code. You can do a Google search on all the different code editors which are available, but I would suggest that we make use of VS Code. Let's head over to the VS Code website. As you can see over here, there are lots of features available. You can make use of AI, you can add coding extensions for all sorts of language, and you can code in any language such as JavaScript, TypeScript, C Sharp, C++, HTML, Python, and many more. And it's fully customizable. You can code anywhere, and it has built-in support for version control. And here you can see a list of features which are provided with VS Code. It has an integrated terminal. You can run and debug your code right then and there. It gives access to version control, and then it has web support. That means you can use it anywhere in your mobile, desktop, or tablet. And there are many more features, right? You can download VS Code for your machine from here, or you can click on this download button to get all VS Code downloads for your operating system. You can help me grow by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you wish to receive notifications about any new content from this channel, hit the bell icon.